and welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed the difference between machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. In this video, we will look at some major industry problems solved by data science. So without wasting any more time, let us get started. Well, the world is changing rapidly. The past 20 years have seen an extreme change in the way companies are approaching data analysis, and with this, the investment in infrastructure has also grown dramatically. So if you are mainly dealing with the business aspects of your organization, then you are aware of the fact that every aspect of the business is now open to data collection and often even instrumented for data collection. Operations, manufacturing, supply chain management, customer behavior, marketing, campaign performance, workflow procedures, and so on. Data science enables companies to operate and strategize more intelligently. It is all about adding substantial enterprise value by learning from data. Now, one very important aspect of data science is predictive analytics. With the help of predictive analytics, we can calculate churn. Who will stay or who will go? LTV. What will my September revenue be? And NBO. Next best offer. Promoting merchandise a user is most likely to purchase. Data science practices, methodologies, tools and technologies give organizations the capabilities they need to gain valuable information from ever-increasing amounts of highly variable data. Now let us look at some common industry problems solved by data science and applications of data science. First industry problem that can be solved by data science is anomaly detection. Data science uses statistical analysis to sort anomalies in data sets, particularly large ones. While it might be a somewhat simple exercise to fit data into clusters or groups and then identify outliers when dealing with small amounts of data, this task becomes substantially more difficult for organizations that have to analyze petabytes or exabytes of data. For example, financial services firms increasingly have been challenged to detect fraudulent spending behavior in transaction data. American Express was an early pioneer in applying data science techniques and methods to big data in real time for fraud detection and other uses. Anomaly detection is also useful in tasks like preventing cyber attacks and monitoring performance of IT systems and eliminating outlier values in data sets to increase analytics accuracy. The second application of data science is pattern recognition. Identifying patterns in data sets is a fundamental data science project. For example, pattern recognition helps retailers and e-commerce companies spot trends in customer purchasing behavior. Companies like Amazon and Walmart, they have long used data science approaches to discover purchasing patterns. In one interesting example, Walmart noticed that many customers making purchases in anticipation of a hurricane or tropical storm also bought strawberry Pop-Tarts. Such correlations, often unexpected, can help drive more effective purchasing, inventory management, and marketing strategies. Pattern recognition also has a wide variety of other data science use cases. For example, it can aid in stock trading, risk management, diagnosis of medical conditions, seismic analysis, and things like natural language processing, speech recognition, and computer vision. Third application of data science is predictive modeling. Predictive analytics applications are used in a wide range of industries, including financial services, retail, manufacturing, healthcare, travel, and government. For example, manufacturers use predictive maintenance systems to help reduce equipment breakdowns and improve production uptime. Airplane makers Boeing and Airbus also depend on predictive maintenance to improve their fleet availability. Similarly, Chevron, BP, and other companies in the energy sector, they use predictive modeling to improve equipment reliability in settings where maintenance is costly, difficult, and expensive to perform. Next application of data science is recommendation engines and personalization systems. A recommendation engine is a type of data filtering tool using machine learning algorithms to recommend the most relevant items to a particular user or customer. It operates on the principle of finding patterns in consumer behavior data, which can be collected implicitly or explicitly. Fortunately, the combination of data science, machine learning, and big data now enable organizations to build a detailed profile of individual customers. Over time, their systems can learn people's preferences and match them with others who have similar preferences, an approach known as hyper-personalization. The first and foremost industry is the e-commerce industry, where a recommendation system has emerged as the most helpful and user-friendly tool. Talking about Amazon, from the customer's misspelled words to identifying the products from relevant keywords, the smart recommender engine of Amazon does it all. Well, who doesn't know the smart suggestions offered by YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify? All these prominent media and entertainment platforms, they have lured millions and millions of users towards their services using a smart AI-based recommendation system. From assisting you in curating your playlist to offering your smart suggestions based on your past interactions, the recommendation system offers everything to the users. For instance, if you have watched any sci-fi movie or web series in the past on Netflix, then the platform will suggest the most relevant movies and web series using smart machine learning algorithms. That will eventually engage your customers and will keep them more on your platform. Companies like Depot, Lowe's, and Netflix, they use hyper-personalization techniques driven by data science to better focus their offerings to customers through recommendation engines and personalized marketing. Financial services firms are also making hyper-personalized offers to customers, while healthcare organizations are using the approach to provide treatments and care to patients. And educational institutions are delivering highly tailored adaptive learning to students. I hope that all of you have understood how data science helps to solve industry problems and increase the revenue. In the next video, we will start a new section, that is Introduction to Data Management using Excel. So till then, stay tuned and stay safe. Bye.